ESL community. At Inclusive Education, we base our practices on a humanistic approach. As such, we're always in search of strategies to develop emotional intelligence through language teaching. In many language institutions, including the school I work for, we're always paying special attention to how our students feel before, during, and after class. I'm also very fond of using technology, so I've been searching for different apps in order to promote this activity where students are able to express their emotions. And I found this amazing app which is called Mood Meter. So if you, I'm going to begin exploring it. Let me go back. I'm sorry, I was exploring it before. Let me go back to home. And as you can see, this is a square with quadrants. Each color represents a specific mood. And I'll begin by clicking plot now. And for example, you can see that this red dot in the lower right corner means peeved. We have different adjectives. So let me click on other dots. Let me go to the yellow quadrant. Here we go. So enthusiastic, if I click on another yellow dot, blissful, so pleasant. So if you click on the different dots, students will be able to see different adjectives and different emotions. So this is really interesting and really useful because let's face it, every time we ask our students to ask how they feel, they tend to answer happy, sad, or maybe excited, but they don't use a lot of vocabulary in order to express their emotions. Apart from that, they're not really accustomed to expressing their emotions. So this app basically helps teachers develop different activities in order for students to talk about their emotions. So this is really, really nice. Let me click on one of the red dots. Here we go, angry. So let's say right now I feel angry as a student. I'll click on confirm. I'm feeling angry. And then we have the option to describe why. So I click on describe why. I'm feeling angry because I sorry, I didn't capital letter. Sorry, let me go. There we go. I didn't have lunch. Okay. And then I click on accept. And then I'll click, I have two options, click on done or click on next. I'll click on next. And then I'm feeling angry. I want to stay here. I want to shift to here or to the green quadrant. Let's say I want to shift to the yellow quadrant. So what can I do? I click there. And I have these different options which are really exciting and really nice. So I clicked on the images, and as you can see, I can go on and scroll and see different images that might help me change my mood. So this is really, really nice. I can click also on different quotes, and I can read those quotes and try and change my mood. So this is really useful, not only to develop vocabulary and grammar, but also helping students express their emotions. I'll click on done. There we go. Your feeling has been recorded. So now my feeling has been recorded. If I go to reports, remember I've been exploring this. Let me go to the 29%, the yellow quadrant. Here we go. So previously I felt ecstatic or inspired. Let me go on to the red one. Angry, frustrated, and I have my reasons. So each day you'll have your reports. So this is really a really useful application. I believe it's only for iOS. I would have to investigate if it's for Android too. So if your students use an iPad or if they're allowed to use an iPhone, this is an application that you would definitely need to use because you'll be developing vocabulary, you'll be developing grammar, and you'll help your students express their emotions. Not just saying happy or not just saying sad. They'll be able to say how they actually feel using different adjectives and explaining the reason. So I hope this helps you guys. And just take, there's an important thing I forgot to mention is that it does have a cost. It's basically 20 Mexican pesos. It's not that expensive, and for sure it's worth paying for this application.